Is it that my nose is blocked or I can't smell jack?
You don't have to smell jack.
Hi guys, welcome back to Unsobered.
We're back to taste something very ambiguous and strange looking.
And homemade.
The vodka flavors that I can recall are chocolate, green apple,
Cucumber.
cucumber nahi.
I've tried strawberry flavored
basic.
vodka, but the strawberry
tried
never
that.
really came through. It was just vodka.
I guess we had orange, lemon, chocolate.
Are you
and
telling me or are you confirming it with me?
I am discussing it with you because those are the same vodkas that I have had as well.
Acha, theek hai.
Now that you've said it, I think the strawberry vodka bit, I think I'd like to try and make that infused vodka at home. What about you?
I'm a lemon.
Knowing you, you'll do something weird. Or that.
Weird. Rajma flavored vodka. Butter
Dal
chicken.
makhani vodka.
Butter chicken vodka.
The flavor that I would like to make would be nahi, chili guava.
Today you'll be trying homemade infused vodka flavors, neat and in water. Taste it, review it, and tell us which one you would recommend.
Cheers.
Chai vodka.
Green tea.
It tastes like chai to me.
इसमें सौंफ है?
That was anticlimactic.
That was for no reason.
Yeah.
So, well, yeah, it's.
You were
green tea.
right. Green tea.
Damn it, this is green tea?
Listen, the smell is getting
Okay.
better with water. It smells more like green tea now.
Now apparently it does taste like green tea.
To me, it doesn't taste great at all. Forget great, not even okay.
How much
But
would you
let's
rate it
try
out of 5?
3. Like, it's fine.
3.
I don't hate it. Yeah.
I don't hate it.
It's a thumbs down from us.
Yeah, it's straight.
Next one,
Let's
please.
get the next one.
Please.
Cucumber आ गया है. Bro, your favorite?
मतलब यही सिर्फ सुनना ही देता है भगवान को कि जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कम्बर बहुत कर नशे करो भगवान भी कह रहे हैं बेटा,
नशे
सिर्फ
करो.
नशे करो.
The exotic stuff. Smell it at least.
It's for me it is decent.
Yeah, it's okay.
So, this how the earlier one was like vodka and then green tea. So
is
this you get
cucumber
cucumber and then green tea, right?
But I think the cucumber is kadwa.
अब वाटर के साथ डाल के देख ले प्लीज.
it's just water.
Okay, I taste
infused
nothing now.
water.
I wouldn't prefer it with water because पूरा dilute हो चुका है. इतनी गंदी शक्ल मत बना if you like it. Like I like it.
I changed my mind.
That was better.
The green tea was better.
I mean, yeah, it's nice. I like cucumber taste. I mean, yeah, I do.
Yeah, I mean yeah.
The cucumber in it is quite strong actually. Like we said, the cucumber hits you first.
But with the water, it isn't. Have you
yeah,
tried
I
it?
did. That's what. With water,
It's-
I think water's just downright nullifying everything, even a bit of water. Yeah.
So it's basically like if you were to bite into a raw sabzi, like the
This is
aftertaste, that's what it is now.
This is just infused water.
It's just infused water now, but you get the hit of the vodka.
Oh God, seriously? बाइट भी इसमें थोड़ा सा नहीं बहुत लिया है. अभी बाकी का दिन काम करना होता है, याद है?
Strong as hell.
Cucumber minus 70,000.
4.
The actual cucumber vodka 4. 3.5.
I would rate it as like a 2.5 because I'm not really a fan of vodka. So yeah.
I would rate it 3. So can we go on the next one please?
I'm very freaked out, guys. What the hell?
This is like not even normal chili, huh? Just saying. It looks like mutant chili fingers.
Did I do something bad to anybody out here? Because I cannot not to infinity stand spiciness.
Listen, I can't have little also spicy stuff.
No?
No,
Why?
I go red and my nose starts leaking.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
How was it?
So I love spicy on the other hand.
Is it like crazy spicy?
I mean, not for me, but you're going to be just a tiny bit. Ooh, it's not bad.
She hates spice, guys. So that's the thing. However, I think the aftertaste is like very, very, very spicy and it kind of burns here.
Yeah.
So I think this will be any day better with water, but let's just figure it out maybe.
But I don't mind it, huh? Listen.
I
this
think
is-
if you're a chili person, this is totally, I think y'all can try.
How's it?
I think the water definitely. I think the chili vodka needs the water. But if you're a person who likes to do like Khatro Ke Khiladi style, you could probably go and have a shot and then go poop for 2 hours.
Yeah, I don't think this is good for anybody's stomach lining to have straight up a
I
shot.
know.
But with water, actually
Like
really
it's-
pretty good.
Jidama is going to be the right person to
Answer this question.
Yeah.
Actually, if you really want to like make someone feel really bad about something, then you should definitely give them this neat. Because after adding water, honestly, I have added like even more vodka in it, like the chili infused vodka in it, but I still don't happen to figure out its taste that well. So I think prank करना है तो इसके साथ करो.
Like, this is a 4.5 on 5 for me. I really like it.
It's a
Really?
one.
Is that because you're not a chili person?
Maybe, yes.
On a scale of 1 to 5, I would rate chili infused vodka
0.
yeah 0. Just for personal preferences, yeah.
I think this one takes a 3 from my end because I enjoy chili.
I guess that's a wrap. So thank you for watching this video. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly.
And if you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.
And please comment and tell us what you would like us to try next.
Maybe either what you've already tried, what if you would like to try the weird infused vodkas we've tried today, or if you want us to go crazier than what we've gone today, give us your suggestions.
Yes,
we are
please.
here for it.
And always remember,
So hit the bell icon after subscribing and stay unsobered.